Right then, hello YouTube. Part 2 of Operation Big Trak. Now, we've now got it apart. I do apologise for there not being a video for a while, but we did the decorating last week. When I planned to do the video, we decided to do decorating. But we're now inside. And what I want to do is unhook this. Now what it is it's basically, this is really odd. It's a piece of plastic. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if we can zoom you in. You see this piece of plastic holds down this piece of strip, and that goes to the main programming board. And as with your mobile phone, this is 1970s, 1980s technology here. Exactly the same thing. So what we can do is undo that. Now getting it back into position is going to be the fun part. Come on. That should just lift off. That's that undone. That's that undone. Lift that off and it should all come off quite neatly. Oh, good, it's stuck to the plastic. Excellent. There we go. So that is what connects to, you see that, to your motherboard, effectively. And that's not unusual in computing to have something like that. So now we've got that out of the way, we can do that and work on it. So let's move out. So now we've got it separated. Now this is just a light and your on switch. So what we'll do is we will zoom you in again. Right, that is a light and on switch, and it's held on by one screw. Now this should come undone. Here we go. Ooh. Carefully does it. That should just lift off. Should just lift off. There's a piece of pressed plastic there. It's a pin, and it's glued. So if I get a little what's it? Stanley knife. Should just be able to there we go, and that now goes into that half. We have now separated both halves. Yay! We want to stay that all together, but we'll keep that's alright. Now always, as you can see, it goes through the two holes. So if you look, you've got the two holes, and that's how it held in place with the thing. That's brilliant, which means we can put this back onto the circuit board, and it should position everything back how it should be. I'm very happy with that. You can see on there, you see the raised plastic. See the raised plastic. You should be able to just position that into position and screw it all back together. So I'm not losing screws. Right, now this should just, you see these tabs here? That's what we're just going to untab and click out. Let's see if they want to. So all we need to do is remove this. Another blade. That's what I needed. There we go. There we go. It should be those two. There we go. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, let's take that out. And that's that off. That includes the switch. So we're getting somewhere. That there's just a clip switch in there. So we have a look at that. There's just a clip switch and it goes back and forth. So that's that done. Now the board is stuck to the unit. So we have a look. Look at the board. Have a look at the other side. It's quite literally stuck to the unit, but what we can do is we can effectively mask over that, and it shouldn't affect it, should be fine. So that's that bit done. So let's remove all the other clips. Let's pull you back. Let's pop that there. Just unclip all the others. Be very careful of that. What we'll do is I'll get a bit of masking tape. Pop that there, and that keeps that out the way. So what we can then do is unclip. I think they're all press studded in. Let's just, there we go. One. Go on. Well, that works. There we go. Take them two off. Them two off. And see. What it is, they've melted the plastic. Once they fit it, they've melted the plastic. Just drop the tops off there. There we go. It should all come out now. Yay! So that's all them off. I now have the top unit, which all I've got to do is clean up, mask this part off because I'm not even going to touch that. Mask that part off, and I'm going to do what I'm going to do. So that's that bit done. That's the top off. Now the bottom. And the bottom is a different matter. You've got your main drive unit here, and it's all soldered in. So it means that the drive unit's going to have to stay in situ. Because the power unit comes from there to there, And I could remove the drive unit, but it means unsoldering these two here, and you've got good solder there, there's no reason to touch it. I can get to all the underneath. All I'm going to do is move this out of the way, so I'll undo that. So what we'll do, move that. It should allow me to move the speaker. There's the speaker. What we'll do is we will just move that out of the way. Effectively, masking tape that up, and so it's all out of the way, and then job done. But it's going to have to be done in. Seriously, I could unsolder these, but I really don't want to. I just want to keep them out of the way. So what we can do, a little bit of bubble wrap over the speaker, like so. Keep that in good shape. Pop those over there. Pop that over there. Now you could, if you wanted to take the drive unit out, you could unsolder these two and the drive unit will drop straight out, taking all this with it. But I don't want to, I don't need to for this project, and so I'm going to leave it be and just mask off the area that I'm going to mask off. Right, so there we go. We are about ready with all this for the next bit, and the next bit's cleaning it up. Anyway, till next time, see you next time YouTube. Thanks for watching. Goodbye YouTube.